What's something that you had to let go just to find peace?
Pain.
Sorry?
Pain.
Pain. What kind of pain?
Like pain that the person brings to life. Most especially mga tao na tumatag kasama. Same.
Can you describe what kind of people sila sa iyong life?
Maybe those people who keeps disappointing you. Ang mga disappointing you. For me, kana siya mo pinaka something na that ginabitawan din ako dahil sa feel na ako sa tao. Disappointment, like the binuto, or like I'm just an option. So automatically I let go so that marag ma-find peace po na ako kung on also the self-worth.
So, what advice can you give to those people who are somewhat same situation nga naani mo karon in anang moments?
For those people na same or naka-experience na inanang situation, take courage because letting go is very difficult and of course na it's very hard. But if you let go, your life will become more peaceful at the same time. You'll be happy.
What's your name, sir?
Murphy Adolfo.